On this week's episode, we're gonna check in on the Riley behind me. She's got siding, a roof, windows, doors. It's really coming together. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and you found Footings to Finished. I'm just walking here into our Riley floor plan. Behind me, we have the fireplace installed here. We do gas fireplaces because all of these houses are on propane gas. Here we have our showers all roughed in. It's gonna be a beautiful tile shower. So does the basement. Moving into the mudroom, and then of course that beautiful 3-car garage. Bedroom is looking beautiful. Again, primed, ready for paint, and they even put the double doors on here. The beautiful walk-in closet, all primed and ready to go. Entering in from the front door, you're gonna have your office space. It's gonna have beautiful glass French doors. And then this is the white oak upgraded flooring. Kitchen cabinets are being installed. These are the Cabico cabinets. So these are an upgraded cabinet. Here we have double doors into the primary suite. Has the beautiful tray ceiling, massive amount of space. I'm geeking out over this bathroom. Look at these tiles. I love the blue cabinets with the brushed grass. They're gonna have a freestanding tub here, and check out the shower. Beautiful tile all the way around. Moving down the hallway, we have the 4th bedroom. This bedroom has plenty of space. Today, we're really gonna take a look at electrical that's going in. We also have some tile this week, so a beautiful subway tile offset. We also had granite go in this week, so we have it here on the island. Pendant lights going in over the island, and we can take a look at those here. Those are really pretty glass pendants. And granite into the pantry, the butler's pantry here. The primary suite. And lo and behold, a ceiling fan. Countertops here in the bathroom. Here in the Jack and Jill bathroom, we also had the granite countertops go in. Shelving in the primary closet. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe so you always know when I post new content, new home tours, new construction. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and I'll see you next week for another episode of Footings to Finished.